Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the rules for the construction of network diagram. Network diagram always moves from left to right, not from right to left or top to bottom or bottom to top. It will always be shown either in the software or manually from left to right. For each activity, that is the piece of the work, a separate ID will use. And in case of activity on node method of project scheduling or networking, the events will use. And for each event, there will be also a separate ID, and this ID will be different from the activity ID. An activity cannot be started until its preceding activity has completed. Activities can be started at the same time depend upon the wish of the manager. It depends upon the policy and the sweet wish of the manager whether few activities should be started at the same time or should be started one by one. Conditional statements like if, then are not allowed in any situation. The dummy activities will be shown by the dotted lines. These dummy activities have no existence in the real life. This is just showing in the diagram to meet the diagram requirement, and they are not required the use of time or any sort of resource. If more than one starting activities, one common starting point can be shown in the diagram, and similarly in case of multiple endings, a common ending point can be used to indicate a clear ending of the project. Critical path. This is the longest path to complete a project is composed of the critical activities will be shown by the dotted lines if we are working manually on the page or the paper or board. However, if we are showing in the software, Primavera or any other, it will be shown by the red lines. Furthermore, for each activity, the human, financial, and physical resources should be used, and they should be clear that how much utilization of the resources will be made. However, there is no resource requirement in case of events that should be clear. So these were the rules if we want to draw the project network diagram. I hope you will understand it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.